Hello everybody, it's me Charlotte. Welcome back to my channel. I hope everyone is having a fantastic day so far today, because today is the day that we announce the mystery giveaway winner, and I'm also going to show you guys what the winnings are. So you will get to see what the lucky winner has won. Super excited for today. Today marks the 1 year that I have been on YouTube. I'm super excited about that, and thank you to everyone who has subscribed to my channel and watched my videos. You guys have made this possible for me, so I'm very, very grateful. Thank you very much. So yeah, what we're going to do is I'm just going to show you how we're going to pick our winner. I think it's pretty simple. Here are all the entries that I received. There's really, if you think about it, I think there's like 68 or maybe 70 people have written me a letter or sent me a birthday card. By the way, thank you to everyone who sent me birthday cards. I loved reading them all. Charmel Bloodso, I don't know if that's the right name, but it's Charmel for sure. She was so kind. She sent me a nice little purple skein of yarn, perfect for making a hat. So thank you, Charmel. I really, really appreciate that. It was very nice to receive. And a lot of you sent me birthday cards, so thank you everyone who sent me birthday cards and wished me a happy birthday and, you know, happy 1 year anniversary on YouTube. I really enjoyed reading all those. So thank you, thank you, thank you. So these are all the envelopes, and like I said, I think there's like 68 or 70 here, and if you think about it, that's not really as much as when you comment on a video. Last giveaway I did, I had like over 500 people that commented, and I would pick from there. Your chances of winning if you sent in a letter are a lot more favorable, in your favor, if you sent in a letter. So that should be exciting. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take these envelopes here, I'm going to put them in this bag right here, and we're just gonna randomly pick one, and that will be our winner, and then I'm gonna show you guys what they won. So here we go. We're gonna do that now, taking all these, putting them in here, and I'm going to shake it up so they get all mixed around, and then I'll just pick one. Kind of simple, right? Old-fashioned way of doing things. Like this bag. I got this at Joann's. Knit happens. Thought it was cute. Okay, so they're all shooken up. I'm gonna just put my hand in here and pick any random one out. And I have Helen King. Helen King, you are the winner. I don't want to show the address, but it's Helen King from Petersburg, Illinois. So congratulations, Helen King. Yeah, would you like to see what you won now? Of course. Let's do that. This is the box. Oh, it's kind of heavy, but it's a pretty large box. I'm going to go through it with you guys skein by skein so you can see what Helen won. Congratulations, Helen. Pretty excited for you. Congratulations. This is what you're going to be receiving. Super excited for you. First off, we have the Brunette Maker Outdoor. This is that outdoor yarn. It's fairly new. You can make things like throw pillows or whatever for outdoors. You can make a rug, you can make a little throw blanket for outdoors. It's completely outdoor proof, waterproof, and there's 249 yards in this skein. So that's one. Then I threw in, let me see, there's actually two of these. Where's the other one? Here it is. You're getting two of these shawl in a balls. Shawl in a balls. You're getting two of these. Super excited. You're getting, if you remember, if you watch any of my videos, last month I did my knit crate review. I've decided to go ahead and throw in the knit crate yarn that I got and the knit crate pattern. So you'll get this yarn and the patterns that came with last month, knit and crochet pattern. So you get that and the patterns from last month's knit crate. You get, let's see, so much in here. I'm trying to get the same colors. There's multiple colors, and there's like two. I think these are matching. Okay, you get two of these. These are the Premier Deborah Norville Serenity. It's a chunky. You get two of these, perfect for hats, scarves. You get two of those, and the color is Smoke Heather, so it's like a gray color. Flecks of white. You're also getting, let's see if I can find it here. You're getting, again, the Premier Serenity Chunky Deborah Norville. I'm probably pronouncing that incorrectly, but here is another chunky. It's just really nice yarn for hats and stuff. I don't know, I like it. I think it's very soft, very nice. And the colorway here is, if anyone cares, is Stone. The color is just Stone. It's a nice soft yarn, chunky, so your projects will go quick. Then you have, this is the Joanne brand. It's the Big Twist yarn. You're getting 3 of these. So you're getting this one, and this one. All 3 of these, and they each have, if I can find the yard, just 615 yards in each of these. So, and they're nice little colors. You want to make a baby blanket or just a nice summertime throw, this would be perfect for that. So you're getting that, and we're not done. Oh no, you're getting one little skein here of the Patton's Croy socks. It's like the burgundy, gray, and blue color. Pretty exciting there. You're also getting 2 of these. These are by Lion brand. This is the Jean. It's a 4-ply, a nice just worsted weight yarn. It's 100% acrylic, but it's like the color of denim. Very soft. It is really, really soft. It almost feels like a very premium cotton almost, but it's acrylic, so it's washable and dryable. And you're getting, like, covering myself in yarn, guys. You get 2 of these. It's the same chunky, nice yarn, perfect for hats, scarves, whatever. You're getting 2 of these, and 2 more. All gonna fit on my lap. 2 more of these, and this is the white color. And again, it's just a chunky, nice yarn. And last but not least, you're getting these. I don't know, can you see those? They're just little leather tags that say like handmade with love, made for you, gifted for you. You can sew these on your projects when you give them away for gifts, and they're leather, and you get 6 of those. So all in all, let's see how many we have here. We have 1, 2, 3 skeins, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. I haven't even counted these yet. So we're at 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19 skeins of yarn, and this little tag thing for 20 items. So congratulations again to Helen King. You won 20 items, and again, I hope you enjoy this. This was super fun, guys. I thought it was really fun to receive all your letters and just do a giveaway that way, because not very many people entered, and it kind of gives you guys better odds. So I think maybe we'll do our next giveaway the same way. But yeah, so this was my 1-year celebration anniversary on YouTube today, and I'm super excited. I was super busy today, so the video's out a little late, so don't mind the hair or the lack of makeup. I've been really busy, but I needed to get this video out for you guys. And yeah, so I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. If you haven't yet subscribed, please do so now. Don't forget to follow me on Facebook, and yeah, don't forget to click the bell icon when you do subscribe. That way you'll be notified when I upload. And again, Helen King. Ron and Helen King. You'll be expecting your package here in a couple weeks. I'm going to have this mailed out. And yeah, so congratulations again, Helen. And thank you all for, again, all the birthday cards and well wishes. I was very, very grateful for every single one of you guys. I hope my channel does great for another year, and we continue to grow and do more great things. So that's going to be it for today, guys. I hope you all have a super wonderful, fabulous day, and happy knitting, happy crocheting. Bye.